Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. So this is Xiaomi Watch S3. In this video, I will just unbox it and walk you through what's inside the Xiaomi Watch S3, everything about it, and what's new and what's not so new. Anyway, let's just get started. And by the way, if you are interested in this watch, please check the link from Geekbuying in the description. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the Xiaomi Watch S3. Alright, I've done a very detailed unboxing yesterday, but still I'd like to give you a full walkthrough in this video because yesterday was way time too tight, alright? So these are the highlights. So here is the cool fashion watch bezel. You know what that means? That means you can change this bezel to different bezels. So I've seen some reviews that have some really cool other ones. They just change it here, right? So you see there's a mark here. There's a mark here, and you can just like that. Okay, and change it. Okay, that is first let's check out this. It's a core, super long battery life, and more accurate heart rate monitoring, accurate satellite positioning, and third-party app supported, and some information here. Let's just move to the Xiaomi Watch S3 directly. So here, let's check out the design a little bit. So here, as I just showed, interchangeable, swappable watch bezel, nothing here. Feels really premium because they adopt this metal design. Here, 2 buttons, and here we have the charging contacts, the heart rate monitor. Also, you see 2 holes here. That's for the mic. Okay, and in case you want to know, the strap is swappable. Okay. That's it, all right. And this is the leather one, and that's it. And to turn on, you just press and hold this button key to turn it on. So right here is the Hyper OS. All right, I'm ready to connect it. So here we just change to English and download Me Fitness. Okay, let's just connect. Add a device. Continue, agree. Let's just see. Okay, just press pair. So wow, this connection is really fast. Okay, done, right? Continue. Dismiss. Okay, that's it. So okay, you're done, all right? And this is the app. The app I really don't want to talk too much about it because I've talked about lots of it about this, like health. Here you can see everything: sleep, BPM, like steps, calories burned, workout. Okay, some workout here. They want to have the interactive sensory course, the boxing thing, and you can check out my previous video if you are interested. Device here is about the device, and you can set everything here, like app notification. You can choose which one you want to show information on the watch. Okay, all right. Permission required. Okay, cancel. I don't want to show that. Sorry. Work out, and like here, like the most used feature from with a watch wall, a smart band is always that sedentary remindering for me. Okay, okay, so the password, everything here, and then profile. You can set everything here. So that's the app. I don't want to talk too much about it. Let's just move to the watch. Battery under 20, so we have to get ready to really quick. So I'll switch watch face, swipe up, blah blah blah. Okay, I don't want this. Okay, press up button to return to the main screen. Okay, press up button to review the apps. Hold the 5 seconds to wake up voice assistant. Press down button to view custom buttons. Press down 3 seconds to open the system. Done. Okay, that basically is the walk you through. That's very sweet because the first time you turn on, you get this phone, you get this watch, you don't know what to do, right? But have the tutorial, that's sweet. Normally, the first thing I want to always change when get a phone is get a new watch face. I like this one. It's intuitive and it shows all the basic information here. Okay, maybe I need to change the sleep time a little bit. Okay, anyway, so swipe left. We see some information here, weather, outdoor running, Okay, the sleep time is really. Okay, let me just show you a little bit more time display. Let's just change it to, I don't know, to 300 seconds. Alright. Okay, now it won't. Okay, now it won't. Just turn off the screen automatically. So anyway, so swipe down. Okay, so swipe left, you get to see this, and also the heart rate, SpO2, breathing, and cars, and also the music playing. Okay, it has storage, internal storage, and you can play music with it. So quite cool, right? Okay, that's swipe left or right, and swipe down, you get the notifications. Okay, swipe up, you see all the shortcut, all the information like D&D mode, this kind of data, also the torch. Okay, this is the torch. SOS mode. Okay, cool. That's quite general, and some others. Okay. Okay, and then we see the watch face, connectivity, blah 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 blah. Sound, silent. You can set the medium, the volume, everything there. Okay, display, brightness, auto brightness, or customize it. Let's just turn to. Okay, someone is calling me. Okay. Oh, I just ended it. Anyway, let's just change to the. Ooh. Wow. I do hope they can. Okay. Yeah, this is the brightest one. Would be better. Is this better? Anyway, let's just change to auto brightness, raise to wake, double tap to wake, cover to sleep, always on display. Yes, it has a always on display if that's what you are interested to know. Always on, alright. And default theme, blah 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 blah. Let's go notification, auto detect, battery guide system. Okay, that is basically what's all in the settings. Alright, and now let's press the down button to enter the workouts. Okay, working. It has more than 150 sports modes. So basically, everything you can think of, it has. Okay, walking, just exit. Okay, walking, freestyle, hiking, outdoor, treadmill jump, rope, pool, swimming, more blah blah blah. Other they have categorized the sports. Okay, other what sports also are trainings. HIIT, yoga, indoor cycling, rower, stair climber, blah 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 blah. Okay, wow, rich, right? They have lots, and that is basically the walkthrough. And here, 你好. Okay, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Okay, they understand. What's the weather like today? Okay, there's someone just keeps calling me. Okay, I will just answer it. Okay, I will test it. 喂 什么东西啊? Someone is calling, but I have a hard time to listen to it clearly. Volume maybe. Okay. No. Wait. Hello?
微信那里付一下钱。
OK， 好，可以，没问题。
微信顺丰那里。
微信顺丰这个，行，可以，我。OK, should be the speaker with, so this should be the speaker, right? OK, sure. 好的，行，可以，没问题。就是那个顺丰是哪个东西？是哪一个东西啊？
是一个器材是吧？上面写着。
哦，可能是
从震撼发过来的。
我知道了，我到时我在 app 上付钱就可以了哈。我现在忙哈。
对。
OK， 行，谢谢你。All right, what a coincidence! Someone just called me, and that is the call quality. I can hear it clearly, of course. And and if you are not convenient, with your phone, you can just use this watch to answer the call. That's quite convenient. All right. Anyway, that's it. What else? Let me just test some more features. All right. Like I said yesterday, if someone got a fighter or bigger hand, maybe they will have difficulty to wear this watch. Okay, anyway, SPO2. Okay, I also want to test that with using my Xiaomi Band 8. Okay, this is SPO2, measure, start. Okay, let's see who has a better result. I like they give you like time, so you know, like, okay, read out 95%, but still 99%. So guys, which one has a more accurate result? So which one, I don't know. Seems like I don't know, 99, 95, that's a big difference. But anyway, but of course this results is just for reference. If you want to get the most accurate one, you better have a dedicated medical equipment. Okay, heart rate, also the heart rate here, heart rate. So 9 BPM. 101 BPM. That's quite close. Anyway, 99. Yeah, that's quite close. But not for the SPO2. Anyway, that is it. I didn't expect like this watch become like so. The Watch S3 is so powerful. You can even play music. That is the Watch S3. To be honest, I didn't expect it just to become so like premium, advanced. It's a Xiaomi watch, but it does surprise me. And if you like a dedicated sports lover, or you have more demand for business scenarios, and this phone definitely gives a new hype. Okay, but I'm not sure when it can go globally. But definitely on Geekbuying it will. You can get it from Geekbuying, and I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.